What is going on, everybody? Today we have a new pouch in the house from Black Canvas Accessories out of Puerto Rico. Very nicely handmade pouches from what I understand. They've been given some pretty cool stuff. They make some really cool pouches. Very colorful, very different, all kinds of different customizations that you can get. You can do your own inside liners. And I love just the friendly color atmosphere that they have with a lot of their versions that they have. This is the Cyberpunk version, so very nice. Black Canvas special. Thank you. Got their little logos on it. Very nicely packaged. This is the Cyberpunk version, like I said. So as you can see, got some cool colors right there, and you have a full side for Ranger eyes. So let's see what else we got. That's that. Yeah, there's your card. Made in Puerto Rico. And again, another signature. Thank you. All handcrafted. Very, very nice. Yeah, I was really glad to find these out. Like I said, they got all kinds of cool colors, different color combinations. They got like your Puerto Rico colors, yeah, all kinds of colors. Definitely worth checking out, I think. So let's get a close-up of it. So as you can see, we have one side here with a pretty nice zipper. Oops. There we go. Got a nice full zipper side over here. Like I said, got your full side for Ranger eyes. Unzip. Nice full side. There you go. So let's see. We got two big pouches. Very, very nice. And then you got a couple other small sides. You got like a pen side. You can put your flashlights and stuff over here. It's very, very, looking very cool. I like the length of it. It's got some nice length to it. So let's see what we're talking about. About 6.5 inches inside diameter. So let's get this. See if we can get this. Let's go in here. In here, you're looking at about a little bit over 4 inches deep before you hit the bottom over here. So that's cool. Getting a deep pocket here. You've got, when you hit the end here, you got about 6 1/4 before you're getting close to stressing out the zipper. So that's cool. It's got some nice deepness to it. It really does. I think it probably has a little bit more than some of the other pouches. Some of the other pouches tend to be a little more squarish, where this is a little more, seems to be a little more long. Let me see. And break up. Yeah, it's a pretty big difference. Got the garage built gear here, Mighty Pouch Plus. So yeah, there's quite a bit of a difference overall size. So as you can see, but that doesn't exclude it. I might see if they got a small. I think actually I know they've got. I know they've got many different versions. This one just tended to be, I guess, a little bit bigger than I thought it was. So, I mean, nothing wrong with it. I actually like the size because I like the idea of carrying full-size stuff, you know. So you start pushing, you know, something like a full-size pen. A full-size pen will fit in here. Get Brian Fullhalter in there, it fits in there perfectly. You're not going to get that out of the other pouches. You're going to have to go with a mini pen in order for something to fit in those. So there is definitely a big difference in that category. So like I said, you guys can change your inside liners. They have a bunch of different color options as far as that goes. So you don't have to go with quite the same colors here that you see here. So I think that's pretty cool. I just like the friendly colors. I think they're really, really great color. Just really add to, you know, a little more than just plain old black. So there you guys go. That is the Black Canvas Accessories, the V3 Cyberpunk pouch. check them out. I'll leave a link in the description to where you guys can find all their different, everything they sell. They have a lot of different sizes, different versions, different colors. Very cool company. Like I said, made in Puerto Rico, handmade in Puerto Rico. So very cool. Catch you next time, guys. Have a great day.